Assalamualaikum. My name is Noatira binti Muhammad Khalidi. Is the first presenter of the group. Will explain to you the introduction of compiling data and site analysis preparation. From this project, we are required to produce a plan, illustration, and compile site analysis data and findings during the residential development, with 4 elements included, which is natural physical, biological, cultural, and aesthetic. Aim from this project is to compile and collect analysis findings preparation in residential development. And the objective of the project is, first, to identify factors on 4 elements that have been mentioned above. Secondly, identify the potential and constraint to developing in the study area. Next, to relate SWOT analysis data technique in the site, and lastly, to determine the land sustainability of the purpose. The scope of work that has been involved in this project has included 4 elements of natural physical that come about topography, soil type, hydrology, element and climate. After that, 3 elements of cultural that is accessibility, existing land use, and adjacent development. Other than that, biological of vegetation, and aesthetic element of natural features, spatial patterns, and visual resource. From this slide, it shows that 2 different types of maps, which is key plan and location plan. Key plan shows that the specific area of the town and cities that have close to the site planning, while the location plan is more detailed and focused on the residential development. And site planning is more details in proposed development of study area. It is also have include all the elements data that have been collected from the District Plan Perak Tengah, website Perbadanan Kemajuan Perak and more. All the data has been listed by the details from the study area, such as where is the state, where is the district, and how much the area.
Slope analysis. There are 3 categories of slope, are flat, valley, and step. In this slide, it shows that this area suitable for develop residential area. The reason I said that this site suitable for residential area because it is a low land, so it is suitable for all type development.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yasmin Shamim binti Muhammad Shukri. Now I want to present about elevation plan. There are 2 types of area that show the range between the highest and the lowest point area. The highest point is 27 to 29 meter that covered 32.7 hectare, while the lowest point area is 24 to 26 meter that covered 70.3 hectare, which is conclude overall of the site planning is 50 hectare. It shows the area of site planning study is flat area that suitable for all types of house in residential development, referring to guide planning housing. The range of green color are 24 to 26. The area is 70.3 hectare and the percentage is 34.6%. After that, the range of yellow color is 27 to 29. The area is 32.7 hectare and the percentage is 65.4%. The total of area is 50 hectare and the percentage is 100%.
Cross-section. A cross-section is a horizontal line over the site area to study the topography of the study area. The finding for this analysis is housing development is suitable to be developed because the topography in the study area is a.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Fatah binti Muhammad Yusof. Now I want to present about geology. Analysis on site, there are 2 types of stone, sandstone and limestone. To study the suitability of sands, this area is suitable for housing development. Sandstone usually allow the water and other fluids. It also can be used to create ornamental fountains and statues. Limestone. Limestone is a common type of carbonate sedimentary rocks. It consists of the natural resources calcite and aragonite, which are different crystalline forms of calcium carbonate. That's all. Thank you.
From soil plan data, we can see that they have 4 different types of soil. First, they have sandy soil. They are easy to work with and have quick drainage. Secondly, clay soil that have contains a lot of water or wet and moist in the winter and dry in the summer. Number 3, loam soil that have the combination that can avoid the negative effect. And lastly, silt soil that will easily compact and swept away by rain. All this type is the proof that the majority of soil in the site is suitable for the residential development.
Next, I want to present about hydrology analysis on site. They all have water flow, water puddle, and earth drainage on the site. Water flow occurs when water flow from a high area to a low area due to the gravity. The site is suitable for housing development as it has a flat land area. That's all. Thank you. Next, I want to present about climate analysis on site. This site they all have one direction and sun direction. This area to research about the climate weather. The area is very suitable for building housing because the climate weather here is very good. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So the next slide I will explain about the vegetation plan. So the analysis in the site area, there are many plants such as a palm tree, grassy, bushy, and this plant can cut down because this plant has no value. And the study area could be developed for housing developments. And as no trees species are endangered because most of the area is open and grassy lands and bushes that can be cut down to develop housings. And what you can see, the legends, there are 3 types of vegetation. The firstly is palm trees. The acreage is 40.26 hectares, and grassy and bushy around 9.86 hectare, and the last one is land. The hectare is 25.88 hectare. So the total of the sites around 50 hectares. So the basement, you can see the 3 points, the 3 point of view. So the first one in the south, there is an area of a palm plantation, and the second point of view is about in the north. There are grassy and swampy areas, and the last one in the area to the east of the study site, there is an area of open land.
Accessibility, road circulation, and man access. The green symbol is the highway that connects Lumut and Ipoh, while the yellow symbol is the symbol that represents the main road, and the black symbol represents the service road and the future road. Number 1 and 2 represent the road that can be used to get into the site area after the construction is complete. The finding for this analysis is the study area can be developed as a residential area because the area to be developed is easily accessible to the main road. Development. In the north part of the site, there are natural elements such as lake, while in the south and west part of the site, there is element of vegetation, that is oil palm. And the east part of the site, there is a housing area that is being developed. The finding for this analysis is there are many developments around the study area that have the potential to support housing development. Surrounding development. In radius 5 km, we have many types of land use. The light pink color represents as a residential area, while the bright pink color represents the public facility. Next, the blue color represents the commercial area. The purple color represents the industry area. And finally, red color represents infrastructure and utility. The finding for this analysis is the study area can be developed as a housing area because in the surrounding there are already residents living in the surrounding. In addition, there are various facilities to be built around 5 km from the site.
Now I want to present about aesthetic view. The green color is good view and the red color is for bad view. The good and bad view is depends on atmosphere of the area that happen from the visual resource, special pattern and natural features in the resident area. The good view area will give an opportunity to earn interest in the residential area, and bad view will enhance from the area in the.
Okay, the next slides I will explain about SWOT analysis. So the four elements, the first one is strengths, second is weakness, three is about opportunities, and the last one is threat. So firstly, the strengths. The land of the site areas is mostly flat with a rate of 52.9%. Soil type at studies has a majority of soil type is suitable for developments because they have no give impacts for these projects. And then there are no mineral resources and climates in and acidic soil areas. And the second the third, suitable weather and climates in the study area due to balance a frequency of raining season and summers. And the last one, the studies area also has no endangered flora and fauna habitats, instead migratory habitats. So the weakness is there are bad view area the east and south of the site, such as grassy and pastures. There are also austere areas with a percentage are of 22.52% and valley areas around 44.58%. However, this site can be developed by adjusting the type of soil to overcome these problems. And opportunities, the site is also close to accessibility, namely the Ipoh to Lumut highways with a distance around 2.7 kilometers. And in the area around the study site of the working population, because there is a commercial and educational area around 5 kilometers from the project. And there are also industrial and public facilities such as bus stop, health clinic, post office, supermarkets to facilitate works to residents to get service smoothly. And the last one is streets. The surrounding areas has been intensively developed, and there are residential areas that have been will be competitions that have been developed previously. It is like that there will be competitions in terms of house cost price in the study area.
Land suitability. As you can see, I use green color for all type of development that can build at the site, and yellow color for certain development. This is because I want to make it easy for potential and constraint area. For this slide, it show the potential and the constraint area at the site. There are many.
Based on this compilation of data, we observe and conclude this area of studying have a high potential to develop in the future. It shows that this area are suitable for residential development as needed. There are many factors that contribute the successfulness for this new project. This project will be held according to the information gained from research that have been conducted. All decisions regarding to the new project will also be made through discussion from different parties and sources. This research is need to be held beforehand because it allows us to analyze and decide whether the area are worth to do a development. It is also very important to plan so that we are able to lessen the number of mistakes, avoid wastage of any raw materials and space.